What's up, traders, and welcome to my stream. Today is Wednesday, and I got a really nice trade for you guys to talk about. This week, today has been a little bit slow. I had this morning we had RSLS, which was like a 40-cent stock that had news yesterday. I was buying it at like 40 cents. We hit a high of, I don't know, this morning we hit a high of 58 cents, and I was trying to get in and out of the ticker, but like you can see, so here RSLS, let me see RSLS, RSLS. So this was like the area that I was buying it in, and I lost a lot of patience trying to go long here. And I went in multiple times. It eventually hit 59, and after it crashed, and then the next ticker I traded was actually it was like a 2K win. It was NXTP. Anyway, so the story with NXTP is that the stock was a low float, around a 4 million share float, and it had trouble with $1.30 multiple times. Like it hit NXTP, it hit NXTP hit multiple times, like that 130 mark, and the third time a charm, it was a daily resistance of 130. It just went vertical. Like a lot of people don't understand the thing about floats. NXTP was a $4 billion float. So what happens to these stocks? They make it what these investors, what institutions, insiders do. They make the stock look like it's not moving anywhere, and they trap a bunch of shorts. So they trapped a bunch of shorts. The first daily it spiked. Let me show you exactly what happened here. So I'll show you like the daily here. So you can see here that the first time we spiked over here on December 1st, we spiked from 40 cents to 130, then sell off. We spike again over here to 130, we sell off. We spike again over here to 130 to 120, we sell off. And this is a daily breakout of 130, one time, two time, three times. So all these shorts that were over here, these guys got to cover somehow. So I ended up going long as we broke that 130. As you can see, so we broke that 130 over here. We broke that 130 over here, and I ended up buying it at like 129.50, 5,000 shares. That was a very small position. It was only like 6 grand, and then I ended up selling right at the top. You can see here 175 and 179, and that was like my best trade of the day. I netted it 2,100 bucks. If you want to get started into trading, this would be the perfect time to start trading each and every day. I have kick-ass opportunities like this, and you can make bank. Like even right now, there's not like a million opportunities right now, but there's a lot of opportunities right now. 2K is definitely a great day for me. It was like, the how NXTP went from like 130 up to 180. It went like, I don't know, in like three 1 minute candles, and 130 to 180. That was a 60-cent win, 40, I don't know, like a 30% gain, 30% gain, and like, or 35% gain in like 3 minutes. That's ridiculously absurd. But you gotta be a trader. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta watch my live streams, and you have to be in the grind. But so far, rocking it out. Great day for me. And YouTube, I'll see you guys on, I think, on Friday and maybe Monday, or maybe just Monday anyway. But you pretty, I think some of my videos had a QR code. You can sign up for my monthly. Other than that, I'll take you through my recap of my live trading video, and just a great freaking day. I'm very happy about my day. NXTP is trying to break that 130. We're possibly gonna do a humongous short squeeze if that breaks. Look at that. NXTP working. NXTP working. Next resistance for NXTP is like 140, 150. It's 150. The resistance NXTP short squeeze is 150 now. RSLS is going vertical. RSLS broke the daily resistance of 55. NXTP broke daily resistance of 130. RSLS possible like 90 cents, 80 cents now. So we got two movers right now. RSLS going vertical. 60 cents. So this would be like a long, I think. It's still a long. RSLS. It's just tough buying it up here. NXTP 35. Very interesting day. We got a bunch of very hard day, very choppy, low liquidity, low volatility day. NXTP just trying to break that 130, barely giving me 10 cents. RSLS was just so choppy. Just it gave like 10% out of the open, and now we're kind of speeding up here. So this is like slow and steady wins the game kind of deal. So we're in a slow and steady market. Slow and steady. So what happens in a slow and steady market? These percent gainers go higher than we all think. NXTP flirting with 135. NXTP, the short squeeze of hell is coming. 136 for NXTP. There you go. So NXTP is working here. My idea to buy down was good because it broke this 130. I was thinking 150, maybe $2. I mean, you'll be amazed like how many shorts are stuck in this from $1 to something. They're gonna clean them out. You can profit on the way up. Yeah, I'm curious to see if NXTP is gonna hit like 150. Curious to see if that thing is gonna hit 150. Because that's technically where the next resistance is. There's 130 break. There's 140. Is it gonna be like a huge short squeeze in this one? There's NXTP. There we go. We're just squeezing the snot out of the shorts right now. Look at the NXTP. I mean, this could do like $2 for all I know. I mean, it's a low float. NXTP is just ripping right now. Yeah, this is what I was looking at. I actually have some 130s. I actually still have some 130s. NXTP. Possible $2 now. Look at that short squeeze. Look at that short squeeze. Are you guys seeing this? We're halted up. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's halted up. Holy shit. Look at that short squeeze. Look at that fucking short squeeze, man. Look at that short squeeze. Look at that short squeeze. Look at that short squeeze, man. I'm up like 2K on that trade. Look at that short squeeze. 168. Holy shit. The trick is like to sell it after the halt. Like currently I'm up pretty good. That was a great idea. I was looking at it and I'm like, this looks like a big ass short squeeze waiting to happen. This looks like big ass short squeeze waiting to happen.
So now I'm looking to lock it in. That was like a perfect long there. 130 long. That was it. It was just wobbly, so wobbly around here. I was very scared. That 130 was a great idea. And I always pull my numbers. That's a great short squeeze right there. Look at that 130 to 170. I'm up like 40 cents a share. This is one ass big ass short squeeze. This is all these shorts trapped from like $1 or so. They're panicking. That's what's happening here. We got the breakout bars just piling into this one. Next resistance is like 240. I mean, it could be like 193 now. What an amazing short squeeze right now. NXTP is gonna unhalt at 10:38. So in about 2 minutes. That's like the smartest trade I did today. So I got stopped out in like what is it? In SPRC I got stopped out. RSLS I got stopped out. I got stopped out like 2 times. I shouldn't have traded SPRC. That's for sure. That was just ridiculously stupid. It was under VWAP. I shouldn't have traded it. It was under VWAP. So now, like, what happens here is like, 3 times a charm to break 130. And then you got shorts here, shorts here, shorts here, shorts here. And now we finally break 130 and it's one big ass short squeeze. It's about to unhalt. NXTP, I'm gonna unload some shares. I'm just wondering what the hell the open is. What is it gonna open at? I mean, the resistance is 175 to 190, so it's gonna open in 1 minute. Look at that! In 3 candles, you make like 40 cents a share. It's a great. That's a great setup there. There you go. Putting in some sell orders at 175. There we go, 178, 179. I'm selling. I'm selling 175 and 178. I'm selling. Let me see if I sold 175 and 1. Let me see if I 175 and 179. That would be all filled out. That's great. 2K. That's a great trade, man. That's a great trade. That's a killer trade right there. I hit that freaking nail on the coffin on that high. Shit, that was a great freaking trade. Look at that. That's a great fucking trade. That's a great trade. Look at that. I hit it. I hit it a nail on the coffin. Good work. Wow. One big ass short squeeze. Look at that. I hit it 179, 175, and all out. Now we just tank there. Oh man, that was great. That was a great trade. I hit it for the highs there. Awesome. Awesome. That was great. That was freaking great. Congratulations if you took that trade. That was a great idea. That was a great freaking idea. NXTP, and now we just die. Looks like we just died. All right. That was a great trade. Yeah, not that I didn't do that well in RSLS, but the other one I did well. Pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed this live stream.
What's up, traders, and welcome to my stream. Today is we have 4 weeks ahead of us of live streaming, and just want to get you guys situated here. How you guys can get signed up for a free drawing. So first place, it's gonna be the drawing is gonna be on January 5th. It's gonna be on a Friday. So the way to sign up for my free giveaway that I'm giving up this year is pretty much comment and like all my live streams that I'm gonna do between now. I think we're December 11th through like January 5th. You have to like, you have to comment, and you also have to pretty much put your email on one of my website signups. This week, we are in pretty much a Christmas kind of deal. We have 4 weeks of live streaming on YouTube, and just gonna get you guys started in what a pretty much a very hot market that we're gonna be in. And I'm giving a free giveaway on January 5th, and all you gotta do is go to my live streams, like, comment, and subscribe to my email newsletter on my website, and you're gonna get enrolled. So for the first place, I'm gonna be giving an annual membership. Second place, I'm gonna giving a 6-month membership, and for the third place, I'm gonna be giving trade idea settings. So the annual and the 6-month is gonna have trade idea settings included, and for the third place, you just get the trade idea settings. Those are like my free giveaways that I'm giving up to you guys on January 5th. I'm gonna put a random drawing. Every single one is gonna be, I'm gonna pretty much pick a video, pick a comment, and everything's gonna be random. I'm gonna use a randomwheel.com or something like that, and just like we did last time. It's gonna be awesome. So in the meantime, for the next 4 weeks, you guys could enjoy me live streaming each and every day for about till 8 till about 11 or 12, maybe sometimes into 12. So it's gonna be a very long 4 weeks of work. And then we're gonna do a nice drawing, and everything's gonna be amazing. We also have some seasonal sales that are coming up, Christmas and New Year. So it's gonna be an exciting time of the year. Gotta get ready in the markets, and that's kind of like what we have going on. This is actually my setup that I'm gonna be live streaming each and every day. So make sure you like, comment, send me an email if you have any other questions. Other than that, good luck, everybody. January 5th, somebody's gonna receive yearly, a 6-month, and my trade ideas settings that I've been working so hard to share with you guys, since you guys are new, and get you started trading stocks. Other than that, stay tuned for my, weekly review of what I've been trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's been a kick-ass week, and I'm very happy with my profits. Other than that, peace out, everybody.